my turbo kit sucks, but not in the way that you think it does. Yes, it makes plenty of power. It has tons of nice noises. It's just doing wonders for the old 4.6 down there. But the design kind of sucks. I'm gonna show you why. Now initially this thing was built on these daggone ramps, as you can see right here. It's kinda, I don't know, what, 6 inches off the ground? So when designing the kit, as you can tell right here how it comes down, the ground clearance was kind of hard to figure out. So this is our V-band clamp right here. If you can't tell from the bottom there, it ain't got much clearance to the ground, you know? So let's take the bumper off real quick, get the old original pipe off, and let's change the location of that V-band clamp real quick. Look at this exhaust. Look at that V-band clamp. Completely flat on the end. Alright, we got that midsection cut out. We are cleaning up the cut a little bit, and we're going to put the V-band. V-band is going to go on the end like this, because pretty much that's where the two pipes meet. So we'll just go ahead and put the V-band about there, I guess. We'll give it some wiggle room. I think what we're going to do is do this right here. We're going to, those two V-band flanges will meet there, and then we'll put this one up in here. It's going to be welded back here, and then the new V-band flange will be up here, not scrubbing the ground. Alright, so it's the next day and we're gonna have to be moving the car because we don't have a drop cord that can produce enough amperage for the welder over here. Trying to move it closer to the house, and it just got done raining. So I don't know if we're even gonna be able to get this backed up until it dries up. Well, we didn't get stuck and spin in the yard, so we got the car over here by the house, got the welder plugged up to the old dedicated circuit, and we're going to be getting some welding on these pipes so we can get her back on the road. There it is. Ain't pretty, but it'll hold. So let's get on to the underside of the car. Let's get this get the metal cleaned up here so we can get some good contact. Oh, the car's moved yet again, but we got this out, and this is our final hole here to weld up, and then she'll be ready to go back together. And hopefully our scraping problem will be somewhat solved. I think it's probably still going to drag a little bit, but not breaking V-band clamps and busting the exhaust. So get that welded up, and then we'll go to the car, throw it on. Another mediocre but functional job. So we're gonna go throw this on real quick. All right, everything's back together. It's the moment of truth. All right, did we gain any clearance? Let's take a look. Yep. See, used to the V-band clamp would hang at least another, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch down. So we've actually gained about that much clearance. We're gonna try to figure out how to stiffen the front springs so that the suspension doesn't compress as much, but I think this should be all right for now. I don't think we'll hear any scraping if I push down on the car. Nope, we're good. Here we are at the edge of the dark all over again. Got her on the ground here, bumpers on. Of course, it's getting dark, so we're not gonna go test it, but you guys watch out for the next video because we are gonna be doing something a little bit different. Of course, see y'all in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.
Angle grinder done died 2 seconds in.